Welcome to part 2 of the AutoRentals 2025 Guide to Renting a Car. Now that you know how to choose the right rental company, compare prices, and pick the perfect vehicle, it's time to dive deeper. In this section, we'll cover everything you need to look for in a rental car service, insurance options, fuel policies, mileage limits, and more. Plus, we'll share expert tips to help you avoid hidden fees and save money on your next rental. Let's make your car rental experience smooth, stress-free, and budget-friendly. Insurance options. In 2025, rental car insurance remains crucial. Here's a breakdown. Collision damage waiver covers vehicle damage from accidents. Liability insurance protects you against third-party claims. Personal accident insurance covers medical expenses for you and your passengers. Personal effects coverage insures belongings inside the rental vehicle. Pro tip: check your credit card or personal auto policy to see if rental car coverage is included before purchasing extras. Fuel policies. Fuel policies still vary in 2025. Here's what to expect. Full to full. You return the car with a full tank. This is usually the most cost-effective. Pre-purchase. Pay upfront for a tank and return with any fuel level. Full to empty. Return the car empty, though this option often costs more. Money-saving tip: always refill the car yourself before returning. Mileage limits. Unlimited mileage options remain popular for 2025, especially for road trips. Always confirm the mileage limits in your rental agreement to avoid extra charges for overages. Additional fees to watch for. Be aware of extra costs, including airport surcharges, underage driver fees, which are usually for drivers under age 25, additional driver fees, late return charges, tips for affordable car rentals, use discounts and memberships, search for promotions, coupons, and memberships for additional savings. Organizations like AAA, AARP, or frequent flyer programs may offer discounts. Of course, you can always sign up for a free AutoRentals.com membership for access to exclusive deals and savings. Opt for longer rentals. Renting for a week often costs less per day than short-term rentals. If your plans allow, extend your rental duration to take advantage of weekly rates. Choose fuel-efficient or electric vehicles. Fuel-efficient cars, hybrids, or EVs will save you money on fuel costs in 2025. If you're planning longer trips, prioritize vehicles with high miles per gallon. Review cancellation policies. Select rental companies with free cancellation options. Plans can change unexpectedly, so flexibility matters. Conclusion: in 2025, renting a car remains a flexible and convenient solution for travel. By understanding how to rent, knowing your insurance options, and leveraging discounts, you can find a vehicle that meets your needs and budget. From short trips to extended vacations, the right rental car can help you explore more and stress less.